Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel and let's see wow what's going on with stock market. And there is a 100k search in 2 hours in Google Trends. Here you can see trend breakdown. Here a lot of searches: S&P 500, Dow Jones, CBNC, and there are a lot of stocks, Nasdaq index, and you can see here the stock market crash. um, let's open, and you can see here S&P 500 crash, and here is minus 3.40%. Don't worry guys about this crash. Here you can see world indices. Here S&P 500, how much, Dow Jones, you can see other. Here all information, nice, and other Russell 2000 something already gains anyways. But the most of cases there is a stock market crash today. Here US stock market crash. Okay, let's see the situation with crypto markets, and you can see here, if I just press to coin market cap here, and we can see voila, in 24 hours Bitcoin minus 4% crash, Ethereum 6% minus, Ripple XRP 9%, BNB minus 4%, and there's other coins also crashes anyways. You can see. Okay, go to the stock market news. The Dow falls by 1000 points as the Fed reduces rates by a quarter point and hits a more cautious stance in 2025. DGI. Let's see DGI. And here is Dow Jones. How much falls? Let's count in the chart. Minus 6%. Don't worry guys, that's normal. When the stock gains, after green line it falls with red. Don't worry again. And you can read all information here. Dow Jones in industrial average and other indices declined sharply after the Federal Open Market Communicate announced a quarter percentage point reduction in interest rates on Wednesday afternoon, and just two more interest rates cuts in 2025, which is lower than previously projected, with that the Dow is heading towards 10-day losing streak, the longest since 1974. They are especially provide negative information, negative news, and try to afraid crowd, try to afraid you here. In financial interest rate decision of the year, the Fed implemented its third consecutive cut, bringing the interest rate down to a range of 4.25% to 4.5%. You can see here more information, and go down and see something. Shortly before the market closed, the Dow was down over 1000 points or 2%. The S&P 500 and the Tej heavy Nasdaq lost 2.4% and 3.3% respectively. Moreover, Micron Technology (MU) will announce its quarterly results after the closing bell. Nvidia stock with declined earlier this week, bounced back in the morning up to 3% to $134 per share. Robo Fabio continued to the article the latest news: Facebook, Twitter, Instagram. Anyways, Walmart defends pullback on DIY investments, and Leaders debate its effects on performance. Here you can see Amazon, low score, Subwix, ELF. Here is a lot of information. You can check it out. This, anyways, guys, I will left this link for you, and you will read. NPID car chases are Bloomberg more frequent and more dangerous. The S&P 500 fell nearly 2%. We already read this thing. If you are interested about events, I will say key events this week. Japan rate decision Thursday. UK bow rate decision. US prevised GDP Thursday. Japan CPI Friday. China loan prime rates Friday. Eurozone consumer confidence Friday. US personal income spending and PCA information Friday. Stocks, the S&P 500 fell. You can see in New York Times the Nasdaq fell this percent. The Dow Jones Industrial Average fell. Uh, the MSCI World Index fell 1.8%. Currencies, the Bloomberg Dollar Spot Index here, the euro falls. You can see the number. The British pound fell. The Japanese yen fell. Also, cryptocurrencies, Bitcoin falls. You can see how much. Ethereum falls. You can see also bonds. The yield of on 10 years treasuries advanced 10 basis points to, you can see, 4%. Germany's 10-year yield advanced 1 basis point to 2.25%. Britain 10-year yield advanced 3 basis points. You can see how much. Commodities here. West Texas Intermediate crude rose. You can see spot gold fell. You can see how much. This story was produced with the assistance of Bloomberg Automation, with assistance from Vilada Hajvik, Vildana. Most with most with Bloomberg, most with from Bloomberg Business Week. You can see all this information. Uh, anyways, okay, goes to the next one. Stocks bonds push lower on Powell's remarks market wrap. Dow Jones, GSPC. Let's see GSPC. GSPC is not showing. GSPC. I wrote GSPC. Okay, let's keep this. And GSPC here. Again, the same news here. All things. Okay, key events on this week. I said already about this. Go to the next one. Brazil traders sell first, ask later as panic hits markets. When market falls, they are starting panic. The crowd are panic, and there is why people are searching too much. Crowd are searching because they are panic. People are panic, and you can see 100k search in 2 hours. That is impressive because crowd in the panic. They are selling in panic. Don't panic sells, guys. Here, Brazil's 5-year credit default swaps jump this month. MTD change. China, Argentina, you can see Bulgaria and other following countries: Poland, Czech Republic, Indonesia, Romania, Thailand, Turkey, Philippines, South Africa, Colombia, Peru, Mexico, India, Hungary, Chile, South Korea, and Brazil. Brazil, you can see here. And Giovanna, you can see all information. Another Bloomberg. First, it was a collapse in the currency. Now the rest of Brazil's financial markets are in the crosshairs. Investment lose fight or in the government's ability to contain a depending fiscal crisis. Fiscal crisis, really? They are saying about crisis? I have not believe on crisis. Most read from Bloomberg. Here are more information. Okay, guys, go to the next one here. US Fed futures price in Fed on hold in January, less than two cuts in 2025. Here, Federal Reserve. Both said in Federal Reserve by Gertrude Chavez Dreyfus, New York Reuters. Futures on the federal funds rate, which measure the cost of undercurrent overnight loans between banks. They are talking about loans. I'm not interested about futures, about loans, but let's see, read in the end. New York Reuters futures on the federal funds rate, which measure the cost of unsecured overnight loans between banks, priced on weekend Wednesday that the Federal Reserve will hold the overnight benchmark rates steady in January after the lowered rates by 25 basis points at the end of its two-day meeting. Here are also other information you can see. Okay, guys, don't worry about these events. Everything is good. Don't panic, guys. Don't panic, sell. Don't panic. I don't know. Don't buy now. But you have stocks to buy now. Example, let's see the Brazil stocks here. Parks Digital example. You can buy now. Let's open the chart, and I want to show the chart. And I recommend you can invest in this stock. Let's see the monthly chart here, and there is a volumes, and I think it can be returned. Okay, let's update this, and I will show you PEX Digital. PEX. Opening PEX Digital, and if the price returns to $59, how much percent you will earn if you buy now? This stock example, for example, this one with $6, you will earn 900%. It means 10 times you can earn it. 10 times you can increase your income. Let's take from here, it's 700%, more than 8x. If in bad scenario, you can earn 6x with $38. This is a pretty strong resistance here in 37 and $38. You can buy this stock anyway. What else? My recommendation, Certane. This is also Brazilian stock. You can check it out. This stock, StoneCo Ltd. And if you buy here with $8, how much you can earn? If the price comes here, you will earn 5x. If here, you can earn 9x around that, or 7x, 8x. Here you will earn 11x or 10x. So this is my recommendation. You can buy this growth stocks, guys. Okay, if you are interested, you can buy. And also I have a Telegram channel about investing in cryptocurrency and stock market in general, and I'm posting fresh news, fresh information, more detailed information, what to buy and what's going on. Guys, you can follow to Telegram channel, join, with down below will be link, and you can enter. welcome, guys. So don't worry about stock market, everything is good. um, Nvidia, let's see Nvidia, what's going on with Nvidia now. Guys, don't panic, please. Nvidia, I'm not buying Dow Jones, S&P 500 or another indices. Nvidia is minus 14% now. SPX, yes. If we see SPX index, you need to hold this for long term and nothing more. Just hold for long term. The the buying place was been here around these locations, around this area you could buy this stock. But now it's too late to buy because now it goes to pretty high and there is no making sense to buy S&P 500 now. I prefer to buy high volatility stock than this indices that is moving so slowly. If you have a big capital and you would like to save your all actives for retirement, you can, by the way, buy these indices because they has less risk, but they have also volatility and they are also falling. Here the maximum falling is 27% or 30%. Guys, don't worry, hold for long term. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, then share with your friends. If this video helpful, then comment what you think about this video. And if you want to see more videos, then don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Okay guys, thanks for watching. See you next time. Bye bye.